Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a short video together today, just showing you how to reset the TPMS tyre pressure monitoring system light on this 2018 Seat Ateca. If we just turn the ignition on, just see this little warning there, that's the tyre pressure monitoring system. So obviously if it's on, you just need to check your tyre pressures first, just set them all correctly, but once it's done you need to do the reset, that's all. The reset's quite straightforward. I've just turned this one, obviously got this style display on this one. Once it's on, just select the car menu. Once that comes up, click the settings. And once on there, you can use the tyre message there. And then you'll have an option just saying set. Click on that. And then it'll ask you to if you want to confirm it, just confirm there. And that's reset all your tyre pressures, and that'll clear the light until it detects another issue. So hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.